Everything is everything. And so everything started. Just waiting for a little population. Make sure everything is running well. Be right back, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, ladies and gentlemen. Currently, TIRX is on the move out of the Chinese concept as that goes. Let's check that out. I do believe that TIRX is today's leading gainer in the Chinese concept. Let's see how small that share float is. Only sitting here at 2.36 million. Another small float Chinese concept stock on the fly. Let's go over here really quickly. No, yeah, we do see. Let's see this no extra large or large, no block orders moved yet at all here in top yet. That is very interesting. Very, very interesting. Anyone in top? Is anyone in top? Okay, any certain tickers you guys want me to talk about? Or review or look at, let me know, guys. Let me know. But top right now, like you guys know, yesterday's, like I was telling you guys in yesterday's video, we're here to see a very, very low total short volume here yesterday. We can't blame it due to the share price, due to the fact that the share price is much lower than what we saw here on that day of $108. Close of $108, we did see a total short volume of 1.05 million total short volume on that day. So things are starting to cool down here in TOP. As far as the volatility goes, we do see slight buying pressure rushing in here off that small scale. We do see some nice small scale in activity here today in float and favorment. You guys know that small scale, so more points to retail investors than anything. We do see a market dive here. Hour is still sitting pretty. Let's check out hour. We do see a retracement from that 574 major retracement from that 573, and we can't call this short wave. The last 5 days of trading been very slow in short sale activity here at HOUR. Looking at our half-month chart, on average, it's sticking around about 4.5 days here. We do see some very aggressive numbers here, especially on the 21st, 30.5% here on short sale ratio, guys. That's extremely high, but the volume is extremely low as well, though. So we can't really call that too much. You can't call this a short cover wave here in HOUR. It looks like it's more just buying pressure that ran into this thing here. Yesterday, a little leap here in today's pre-market right at the open, and we did see another surge here as well around 7 o'clock. HOUR, it's going to be very interesting. The short positions taken here on today's trading. We are seeing a slight gradual give here. Let's check that out. Get those highlighted stats. Not much. See that amp sitting here at 32.94 here since the open. Seems as though that HOUR is going to continue to give, guys. Slowly but surely. Seems as though that TIRX has just seen some huge bid orders run into the play here recently. Huge bid orders, guys. Huge bid orders. In fact, we do see some heavy inflow activity on that extra large scale. Huge short sale activity for TIRX back on Friday. No slouch here either. 91,000 in comparison to a stock that was seeing total trading volume around 22,000, 8,000. Very low day-to-day trading volume. Okay, so that total short volume of 91.29 thousand is a lot for TIRX. It's not a lot for a lot of other stocks that we tend to talk about here on the channel, but TIRX, that was a big short selling day for sure. These 2 days, let's take a brief look and check out the 15-minute chart. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, guys. It really do help the channel grow. Trading day. We do see a wide range of neutral here. Very heavy neutral pool throughout the trading day. Yeah, this is only the trading day, guys. This is not accounting for the pre-market. So remember that here in TIRX. Seems as though that we're starting to see some bid orders fly in right now, guys. We're in that middle region here on the 3, but we like to look at 15 for sure. Still see a bullish SAR here. Also, guys, we're still in that upper region here on the 15 as well. Bollinger indicator. Let's pull this down really quickly. Let's pull this off. No, we let's check out our digital indicators here really quickly. One minute, no obvious signal. Of course, we're going to see bearish. Of course, we're going to see bearish on the day and the 60. That's expected, especially the way that this stock is trending here today. But so we more so want to look here at 1 minute, and we are leaning towards that early warning signal here, TIRX, here on the 1 minute. But again, guys, when you're seeing short cover wave that this thing is seeing here, obvious short cover wave. We do see heavy block inflow activity, 11.52 million here. This is obvious covering going on here in TIRX. Thursdays, well, Friday and Monday short sale activity seems as though that it has been stacked here, just by looking at the price action here. So with that being said, guys, if you are in TIRX, like I told you guys in top, make sure you lock in those gains. You don't want to be that guy that was up 200% and then selling for a 20% loss. You don't want to be that guy. All right. Never feel as though that you're leaving money on the table. All right. Don't put yourself at risk for that. Just the fact that it's always another opportunity to trade. Just look at top, guys. Then turn around and see all these other Chinese concept stocks flying like they are. Okay, you don't want to hold these things too long because you may be in the green and sell for a loss very quickly, guys. Things tend to take a quick turn here when we're dealing with these low float stocks. All right, you may be up 80% now. You may be selling for a 20% loss here in a few hours. So with that being said, guys, lock in those gains. Move on to the next. These aren't great investment ideas. These are just great trades. All right, just great trades, not investments. When you see fit, lock in those gains. All right, a lot of people went wrong during that AMC rally, telling me you want another to hold it for what was it, $100,000 a share or something like that. It was crazy, guys. A lot of YouTubers was giving out these crazy share prices. But again, that being said, as you guys see here, TIRX starting to charge. How was $7.88? Just by looking at those bid orders, man, it looks like a great chance that this thing has a great chance to fly past that $7.88 here for sure. Again, this is obvious covering going on here at TIRX. And guys, you know when covering happens here in these Chinese concept stocks, especially when you have a low float like this of 2.36 million share float. 2.36 million, that is considered a low float stock. Now, it isn't micro float. Micro float is anything under 1 mil. Okay, it is a few micro floats out there in the Chinese concept world, and we'll check that out here for you guys. Let's get those micro floats. It's not many, but here's a few. You guys see here, we do see a total of 6 micro floats here in the Chinese concept sector here. Currently out that 6, like I was telling you guys in yesterday's video, GEHI is the lowest share float amongst all of the Chinese concept stocks. Not only that, it does have a low market cap as well. So if retail investors decide to go after this thing, it can fly like an eagle, guys. What things tend to fly pretty wildly, right? But let's see, we got 8 thumbs up, currently 17 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. It lets me know if I should continue to do these live streams by giving me a feel of the viewers' reactions. So guys, don't forget to smash that like button if you do want to see me doing more live streams here. But again, like I was saying, guys, low market cap, low share float, extremely low share float. Let's put that in there. And that's why we did see BAOS run and retrace like it did, because of the low share float. This is one of those micro floats, guys. And again, it doesn't take much to actually make some money in these micro float plays. You don't have to go out and buy tens of $1,000s worth of shares. As you guys know just how like top fluctuated, these micro float stocks can fluctuate with a magnitude much higher than what we did see here in top and HKD, just off of the low amount of shares to go around, guys. That really does put a lot of upwards pressure on the price. Currently got 14 likes here on the video. Thanks for smashing that like button, guys. It really does go a long way. And again, guys, don't forget to comment your ticker that you want me to talk about for all you YouTube members here already on the channel. Let's see here. That is starting to pick off. Let's look at LEXH. We do have a circuit breaker here, aka a halt. Let's see how this thing opened up. Let's check out those mid orders really quickly. One moment, let me plug up top really quickly, guys. I don't want to lose you. Don't want to lose you. Alright, guys, here currently the active sale is outweighing that active buy here, where we're sitting at $1.61. Let's go to those price points. This is why I like Moomoo so much, guys. The tools that we have at our disposal is a game changer. A lot of this, guys, you will not find on Webull. Definitely won't find it on Robinhood. Robinhood, if you ask me, is just for like new traders, novice traders, any advanced trader. But I mean, if you're just buying and selling the stock, of course you can use Robinhood. When you're analyzing the stock, using Robinhood to do so. All right, now what we're looking at here is active sale. This is throughout the trading day. I'm gonna let you get everything so far here on the day. I love Moomoo, guys, being able to do that all out here. But as you guys see here, let's get back down to that $1.61 so we can see the position that was placed here at $1.61. Also here in 3 months, we do see that $1.61 in favoring active sale. We have active sale here. No, $1.64. $1.64, gap 64 here. Okay, guys. Seems as though the LXEH has a great chance to see some upwards pressure here on the open of the halt. But let's check here. Don't forget to pump the dislike button. Ha ha ha, TK. Ha 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 ha. The funny one, guys. You probably know him over in the Discord as the manager. I knew that was gonna happen. One moment, guys. One moment. The big guy, my co-host today. All right, so what we're looking at here, guys. Okay, so we're still sitting here in the circuit breaker, of course. Dude, I knew you was gonna do that. Why are you eating this guy? All right, guys. Seems as though that he is hungry, so we will finish this live stream here in a second. All right. So with that being said, guys, may the gains be with you, and we will come back to this live stream here